Anything aggravating about the case?
Said this is on Mr. Kenton Hale.
Yes.
I do not, Judge.
No alcohol in the car, any prior DWIs?
No criminal history, Judge.
Okay.
And I do not see any alcohol in the vehicle as well. I was pulled over for speeding and failure to maintain slow.
Okay. License?
Do not see a driver's license conducted, Judge.
Mr. Quintanilla, as a condition, you're charged with driving, like I said, while intoxicated as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. If you fail to appear for any tests, likewise, a warrant for your arrest will be issued. You do not have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. I am making that a condition, and you will now sign a promise with me. This is an affidavit that you're going to swear to us that you're not going to drive. I don't care what you have to do in this life. Do not drive. I will not warn you again. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission, you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you, or they may very well put a detainer on you. If that happens, you will be in custody for a very long time. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? We will give you time. I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. We'll get you to Victoria Center Reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and then we'll see you in a month.
All right, Judge Council is approaching on Campo, topic 3.
Good morning. Does Mr. Campos have a license to drive?
I'm checking right now, Your Honor.
Mr. Campos, you're charged with failure to stop and give information, which is leaving the scene of an accident without exchanging information. As a condition of your bond, you are ordered not to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. If you violate these conditions, I will order your arrest, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. You understand? Do not pick up any new cases, or likewise, it's just not going to go well for you.
Your Honor, we don't have one on file, but I'm looking up and see if I can get.
Okay?
He does have a license, Your Honor, and it's eligible.
It is eligible?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You must stay in contact with him. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, likewise, I will revoke your bond. Do you mind filing those conditions, please?
No contact.
No driving. I guess we could do that. Yeah, no contact with complaining witness. No driving without a license, insurance. You're not to have contact with the complaining witness in this case as well. For now, we'll have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. After that, you'll be free to go.
Thank you.
Please. Did you want to waive PC?
Yes, Your Honor, we
Got it.
talked to the state, we should be able to work it out shortly.
Okay. Great.
All right, Judge, the next Spanish reset is topic 15. Valdez, come on up. Okay.
What page did you say?
15.
You speak English, ma'am?
Oh,
Oh.
please, Judge.
Ms. Valdez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Anything that we need to know about with Ms. Valdez? Any prior DWIs? Does she have alcohol in the car? Does she have a license?
Do not have a driver's license, Judge. There's no criminal history.
Okay. Any alcohol in the car?
No alcohol in the car, Judge.
Got it. Ms. Valdez, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medications. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. You do not have a Texas driver license, so you are not allowed to drive. That is also a condition, and I'm going to have you sign a promise with me that you're going to make that you're not going to drive. I don't care what you need to do. Do not drive. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will they could put a detainer on you and you will be in custody for a long time. You understand?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
What do you think I should do?
I can't make that decision for you. You need a lawyer to represent.
I'll hire my own lawyer.
Okay, so we will have you come up, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'm going to have you sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and then we'll see you in a month, ma'am.
All right, Judge, bottom of 7. The last name is K-I. Come on up.
Sir, is it Kui? Sir, you're charged with racing on a highway. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On April 11, 2026, in Harris County, officer observed a vehicle slow down next to another vehicle in an apparent attempt to match the speed of the other vehicle. Officer observed the vehicle's speed in a competitive attempt to outdistance one another. Officer conducted a traffic stop on one of the vehicles, the one driving in a more dangerous manner, and he kicked off the race. And the defendant was identified as the driver. The charges were set for racing on the highway.
How fast were they going? And did they get a co-defendant?
Let me check, Judge. Doesn't look like he was able to pull over the other vehicle. And he did not give an exact speed. Let me see. I do not see an exact speed, Judge. But I know that they were on the highway. It said the postal speed limit was 65 miles per hour.
Sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does he have a license to drive?
He does have a license, Judge.
I'm now taking away your ability to drive. You are not allowed to drive at all. This is a second case like this. If I find that you drive, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? You're now going to sign an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. If I find that you drive and I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is, I can have a contempt hearing. Every time you drive, up to 180 days in jail and a $500 fine. Do you understand? Stop. We are going to reset your case and give you time to hire a lawyer. You can ask the lawyer at that time your questions, but I'm going to protect my community at all costs. You pick up a new case. You try to drive at all. It's just not going to go well for you. Do you understand? All right, come on. Can you file no driving, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Judge, top of 8. Mays.
Good morning, Mr. Mays. Sir, you're charged with possession of marijuana. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to, I'm not going to put any conditions on your bond, but we are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign a reset, and then we're going to let you go. Do not pick up any new cases. Do not drive without a license or insurance. Otherwise, it's just not going to go well for you. You must also maintain liability insurance if you're going to drive. That is law. You understand? All right, come on.
Was that state bond condition?
No conditions. You can just get them out.
All right, Judge. Top of 12, Peterson, come on up.
Tell me, Ma'am, Ms. Peterson, you're charged with harassment. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. In her prior aggravated assault case, is it the same complaining witness as this case?
Your Honor,
Please.
they're different complainants, different complainants.
Okay. Ms. Peterson, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of any weapons. You are not to go within 1,000 feet of where this person lives or works. You're not allowed any type of contact, social media, phone calls, text messages, use of a third party. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand? Is not an answer. Yes or no? Can you file those conditions, please? And then also, do you mind reaching out to the complaining witness to let that person know the conditions so that if she tries anything, that we'll take the appropriate action?
And you said 2,000 feet?
1,000 feet.
1,000?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? How do you support yourself? The child support is for your child. It's not for you. How do you support yourself?
I'm not working.
When is the last time that you've had a full-time job?
6 weeks ago.
Okay, it's time for you to start working again. Deputy Williams will give you an application, but it's time to start working. You understand? It's not.
All right, Judge, Pablo 13, Ramos, come on up.
Hey, 2 weeks. Good morning, Mr. Ramos. Sir, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On April 9th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed a vehicle to around 6 to 7 donuts in a pit of vehicles, getting within 5 to 10 feet of striking the vehicle, forming the pit. A traffic stop was conducted on the vehicle, and the driver was identified as defendant.
Does he have a license to drive?
Yes, Your Honor. It's eligible.
Mr. Ramos, I'm going to find that there's probable cause as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to participate in these types of activities again. Donuts, street takeovers, racing, reckless driving. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. You understand?